Hello everyone. I just got an Australian 1 ounce platinum Kangaroo year 2021 and I wanted to show you the unboxing. I bought it a few weeks ago from US Gold Bureau. They are a reputable online dealer and I like to buy platinum from them because they usually have the best prices. At the time, platinum was around $1,143. They only marked it up about $100 for their premium, and I think that's very low. In general, for platinum, I have found US Gold Bureau to be superior in their prices to other well known dealers. Typically, for stacking platinum, I like to buy the 1 ounce Valcambi bars, and the only time I've seen other dealers have it cheaper is when they had a special sale. And that is usually the cheapest option for platinum, and I like to be consistent with what I add to my stack because it's easier to store that way. But so what? I'm changing things up. As Emeril Lagasse would say, I'm gonna kick things up a notch. And I'm gonna spice up my stack. Look at that! BAM! Now that's a beautiful coin. This is my first platinum coin, and it did not disappoint. I like these 31mm black ring capsules from On Fire Guy at Amazon. The great thing about the foam black ring is that it's easy to cut and shape, and it's also compressible. It fits a wide variety of coins. When I buy platinum, I think about it as if I'm saving my money by owning something extremely valuable. The metal is what's used in spark plugs to start your car, and it's also used to reduce carbon emissions from diesel exhaust. There is so little platinum in the world, and one day I think something will happen that will change everything. If we look at what happened with rhodium, it quadrupled in price practically overnight. I think the same thing will happen with platinum, and it's just a matter of time. And one day we're just going to wake up one day and the price is going to be through the roof after we went to sleep at night, literally overnight. And the great thing about saving platinum is we don't really have to worry that much about what other people think of it, like we do with a piece of art. It is valuable because it is useful in so many ways. And at this point in my life, I may not actually be rich, but having this piece of rare and useful metal makes me feel very wealthy, and I need only hold it in my hands to feel that. I hope this was informative. Please be sure to check back in the future for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.